Okay, good morning 5-6, and good morning my assistants, Mackenzie and Matilda Robinson, and also good morning Godzilla, Panama, Peekaboo, Croak, Scorch, Prince, Iggy, Dart, and please sit up, Maury. Stop lying down. Okay, your first lesson, it was a suggestion that you might do something like this. Get a piece of paper, write on it with a few different things, put a bit of sticky tape on it, and put it outside. Now, I put mine under cover, and it's been out there for about 3 weeks, and there's not a lot of difference. But I also put a piece of paper outside, not under cover, and there was nothing left on it. It had all disappeared because it got rained on. I also put a cup of water and a cup of milk. I had to get rid of the milk because my wife, Mrs. Robinson, couldn't stand the smell, but it was all disgusting and gross. Here's the water. It's got bugs in it. But also, you can see how much of that water has evaporated. Here is the apple. Now, these are all changes that we can't reverse. We can't change these things back. We can't put more water on the apple. The water that was in there has gone up into the air. And well, this is kind of still the same. Today, we're going to be looking at frozen and unfrozen things, or maybe overcooked things too. So the first thing I did was I went and got some ice cubes.
What happened?
I put one in this bowl. Plate. And put it outside in the sun. And it was out there for 20 minutes and it's gone.
It's hot.
It's water now. This bit of ice was inside on the kitchen bench, and there's that much left. This one was in the fridge, and there's a little bit of melting, but not much. Now, we know water in 3 ways. Ice, water out of the tap, and also steam. But these things are not a chemical reaction. They are just changing states from one thing to the other. I think someone's... Oh no, here it is. The chocolate here has been out of the fridge. And it's not melted, but it's a little bit almost sticky. This bit of chocolate, on the other hand, was outside in the sun.
Wasting perfectly good chocolate.
And this one was nuked. Now, we could just put that back in the fridge and no one would know.
It looks like a cake.
This one, it would never be the same again because it's melted and things have separated. This one has had a chemical reaction and it was kind of a sweet, gross smell. Have a go at that one. It's burning chocolate's a funny thing. Okay. Look, better turn the stove off.
It's hard.
It is hard. As a piece of chocolate that was cooked.
But it tastes good.
In here, I have some frozen things. I have frozen milk.
Ew, I tried it.
And if you guys do this, you can't really see it on the video, but the milk actually separates.
Ew.
It goes so that it's slightly yellow
Godzilla.
and white. So we've got the cream separating from the water. Now, milk is a mixture. So you can take it out. There's water and then the cream that is the good stuff. We also have raspberries, tinned fruit, And grapes. Now, if you've never had frozen grapes, get out there and have some. I'm going to get Matilda to hold the camera while I do this. Alright, frozen grapes are lots of fun. They're great to eat. But you will see, if you do this yourself, that it's all icy over the top. And if we let that defrost, it will never be the same as a normal grape chopped in half. Because all that water will burst out of the cells, like it's doing there, but the cells inside will be ruined. And it's going to be the same for all of these things. The best one is watermelon.
It tastes disgusting.
Because it goes rock hard. It's mostly water, but when you break it in half, you can see those same crystals that you would get on a Zupa Duper.
I'll get it.
Okay? Here we got some watermelon. We'll cut it very gently. Whoa, look at that. It's mostly water. A little bit of flavouring.
That's why it's called watermelon. No way.
So I would really like you guys, if you can, to have a go at those things, especially the milk, and eat it.
No, don't eat it. I'm warning you.
It's not very nice. Alright guys, I'll see you for our next video. I hope this has been as fun for me as it has for you. No, the other way around.